Today we are playing Jailbreak in Roblox. And we're gonna be robbing some places, but first we need a key card. Let's see if this person... Okay, we're gonna run like we've never run before. Yeah, I'm gonna get caught, definitely. Cool, I just know it. Okay, I hope I don't get caught though. Okay, I'm cool. That's just sad. Okay, that was really hard. I don't think we're gonna get key card today. So we're just gonna escape. Okay, so I'm lagging so much. What is going... Wait, what? Am I not supposed to be in prison? Oh my god, that's so sick. I'm not in prison. Okay, we're gonna escape this place out. Because we don't have a key, we can't rob the bank. But, as I remember, I watched this video where you can get a key from cargo plane. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do maybe. Actually, we might see a cop, so we're gonna kill him. Yeah, and also, I just bought the vault, and it's not really that good. Is that... No, I thought it was Peppa Pig, because there's this new update kind of thing, that there's a piggy here, and it's really annoying, and it kills you. So it's kind of like a cop, but bot, and it's only in the sewers. I got the vault, but it's not that good, and it glitches like a lot, so I don't really use it that much. We're gonna get some guns and then I'll be back. Okay, so I got the helicopter and now we need a jetpack, then the healer. Now when I play Jailbreak, I take so much time spending getting guns, healer and stuff like that nobody ever wants to team with me, because I'm always like that. I need jetpack, I need that, I need this. And if you do not have key and you want to go to Area 51, you can use this cop station by the museum, because there's a way. You can either use a heli to get up, or you can just use your jetpack. If you don't have one, then it's by the museum hills, and that's where you get it, but it's not for free. It's like 50k, I think. Yeah, 50k, something like that. And if you get it, you can get into this place. And again, if you don't have a key card for Area 51 healer place, then you need a jetpack again, because there's a heli. There's a way to actually get in there, and I'll show you that right now. So you go up and then this will open up. Oh, how now. Why isn't this cop getting me though? Wait, that was so... I don't think he dropped a key though, which is sad, I understand. But now we're all ready to rob something. And I think I want to rob the jewelry store. Hopefully it's open, because I don't know how to rob the power plant. It's too hard, and I don't have a key for the bank. And I'm not teaming with anyone, so I don't have... Well, I can't rob the museum, yeah. Can't rob that. Okay, so this is closed. Oh my god, I did not know that was a flipping cop. Gonna kill. Yeah, we got that cop. Pickpocket. Okay, boom. We're gonna run. Because okay, we're on top of a building, which is good for me. Okay. So now that we have key, we can rob something. I want to rob the cargo plane, so we'll go there. So the cargo plane was closed. I called someone to come to museum and hopefully they're here. I don't really see them anywhere. Wait, is that the car? Okay, they're here, so we're gonna rob now. Hopefully, yeah, we're robbing. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna get one bone. Okay, one of these. Then the mummy. I like myself a mummy. So, we're just gonna do this puzzle. Okay, we're out. So I'm just gonna say pull. Oh, I forgot to get the mummy. Okay, so now I have a full bag, which is good. Okay, I don't want to die. Museum is pretty easy. So if you want to rob the place and you're new, you should not go museum. Actually, it's too hard for beginners. And you should rob the bank, but you need a key for it. Okay, so I'm just gonna refill and go to the Crimbet Museum right now because we're at the volcano base. And now we're gonna go maybe jewelry, I don't know. I hope there's no campers outside because normally when I rob this, there's campers. Okay, so we're going to go to the jewelry store to rob the place. Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say for some reason. I don't know how, but I just forgot. So we're gonna go to the jewelry store. Okay, we're here. It's open. Yay. Okay, we need... Wait, what? It won't... What? Wait, what? Wait, you have to stand on here. It's... Now I'm gonna go to the different one, I guess. Oh, this was already open. Wait, what? That's just weird. Nobody's in here though. Oh my god, I'm scared. I hope there's no cops. Wait, there was someone here, but... Wait, there's someone here. Hopefully there wasn't because I don't really see anyone breaking all of these things. Okay, just 2 more. Yeah, we're getting out of here. Okay. So, okay, this one. Wait, is my fuel up? This one, if you don't have that, it's still... Okay. Wait, we didn't get damaged at all, but I touched it so many times. This one's hard, but easy. Okay, you have to step on the jewels like I do. I always step on the jewels. Okay, so we're here. Almost at the top. And hooray! Wait, never mind, we haven't robbed it yet. We need to go to the... Oh no, I got arrested, so... Bye guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Well, I'm gonna leave first, then end the video. Okay, this is awkward. Bye guys!